And asante over national election.
Bururi wa Nigeria na twagwetete ha last week muthenya wa Saturday ni mari na githurano mari na githurano bururi ucio ni maragithura president president mweru thutha wa president yoro rakire kuo gusabu tamu cia keigire na kinya kweherera no nginya magithure president ungi
Mahmud Buhari
riu makire githurano muthenya wa Saturday na nginyagia thaa ici gutikire kurakendirwo maumire na ma muico ni hindi kura iragithii na mbere gutarwo na ku verify but just in our usual African way.
I understand you now, Maybe talk about the you get radio.
TV we flip this channel to the other. What can I mean? Resort it higher.
What do you recommend TV mode and you better?
Kadawara TV you know hurry. Oko na mwana ule ora support ya kani muhotereria muno.
Ruga fagodikeria muno we ungi.
Ogathi mwendo ungi ukona ta mundu wajue na hope mwendo ucio ungi. Riu hau niho Nigeria mari.
Nigeria me mau gatiri. Oh, change the station now. Can you change it to?
Change.
These people are lying. They are telling lies. Oh, but they say Tinubu. Oya kia bae kile tori ya dawa. Ala tuatia.
Kia APC. Tinubu.
APC kata wako kushia dawa.
Ni na APC.
Na dekio ruling.
Ndio ruling party.
Wewe kinake ni Obi.
Obi na ke aragituka Obi sana na tuka ni popular muno na beo njithi. Na aragituka no rahotire kuria the capital. Kuria Lagos.
Ogora tuka Obi ni nasa.
No adi sagine ri. Ugathi kura igakundera.
Wewe ni tibim. What a tear that. We support to you. Can you change that? They are saying Tinubu is leading. With how many votes? Can you change? Go to the other station.
No, I don't see a bicycle.
Yes.
Never accuse the ruling party.
Yes.
Nemanyita na election commission yako.
Yes. They actually have an independent electoral body. Yes.
Very good back accuse kiama kira kirathana.
Yes.
Nemanyita neire. Guthoga maumire na magithurano.
Yes.
Just like we do it here.
Yo timo yani. Yo na thaici ni marahurira Nigerians awaria maikara Miremba.
Rezabu.
Weka rezabu na Miremba. Uladi meji. Now you got this your brother Ikepeba. You are still in Miremba. Now we have an issue election here. We want to know how you are dealing with the 34A. You are counting on your phone, no? Your phone, no? You are counting you are telling the vote on your phone, no? Yeah, people are tolling, yeah. Everyone was tolling. Yeah, in Kenya, people were tolling their own numbers. Now, we are just waiting for the forms. According to what you hear, who is leading? Now you go, Oga, we are told Tinubu is leading. That's a lie. That's a lie. International media is trying to cover up. Do you have the number of Raila Odinga? Oga, that's a big man. Oga, that man in Kenya is an Oga. That one you don't get the number like that. Because we wanted to know. We are asking for demonstration. We wanted to know how he was dealing with it. Because I have been told to go to court. They are already threatening we go to court. If we have lost. Ogana cannot give you the number for Raila Odinga. That one is a big man who Duana cannot get to. Okay, can you get me for Junet Muhammad? That one is also big. But you live in Kenya now. The part I live in Kenya is not Mutaiga. I live near Zimmerman. There's a difference between Runda and Zimmerman. May I come with 44? What do you mean you go with 44? There is 44 here. They say 44 Ozurai.
The 44% today.
If you are 45 and they are saying Tinubu is leading with 44. Now What a coincidence is not that. Do you have the number of the Chief Justice of Kenya? We want to know before we go to court. Can you get us the lawyer of Piki Monkey Paka Milo Gisco? Election, you have to wait and be patient now. They're saying they have counted how many federal states. Nigeria is a federal.
States.
How many states are they counted? Now you are saying we have only won Lagos. Oh. How can we only win Lagos? People of the city, they like coffee, and people in rural areas don't like it. We are being stolen now. They are stealing the election. We have been waiting for 4 days. Oh. Our numbers have increased in only 2,000. Can you get me the number of Gatoni Wambugwa? This is your cousin from overseas. I'm overseas in Kenya. Yes, a place called Lumumba Drive. Lumumba Drive near Safari Park. How is the election? My brother don't ask you. We are being punished. We are being punished. We are being extremely punished. We could not accept what is going on in Nigeria. Can you make a come to this country? I cannot come because I have an issue with my passport.
Gloria. It
is expected.
So sio hapa tu. Huwa tabia umetamba mpaka Nigeria.
Nigeria ni kumbwa. Hiyo kesi sioni kienda wiki moja kama huku. Kesi ya huko inaweza jifuta.
Inaweza jifuta kidogo.
Ulisema wako milioni 100 ngapi? Ni wengi.
Todo ikia kule ni milioni 93.
So tyranny of numbers ko ni kuona leo. Na milioni kuma 60 how.
Netuge at least 55 million.
Akiri ya Kenya othe leo basi. That is the entire country kai wana.
Ego tuka president Nigeria ndo bayuberetie wega ri. No gutiro ni population ita ya Kenya yothe.
We are going to demonstrate now. We are going to say yote ya zekana.
Na ni mara gona system yo todo no ni marajirie kuthira system teno tuhuthagira guko ya voter identification na transmission ya resource ri.
Yes.
Ni mara gona ni mara yashiriria ni infiltrated by Jose Kamago.
We want you open the server. Open the server now.
Nemare kuwira.
Africa.
No, that is Africa's biggest democracy. Nigeria.
That is exactly.
Ela queda na volta